The affiliate sign up page. So this is the precursor to the affiliate dashboard that I mentioned. This is a landing page that we can direct prospective affiliates to so that they can learn more about your affiliate program and get signed up. Now, this sign up page is customizable. You can do as I've done here, where you can get your company logo front and center, write your own welcome message, sort of control the colors on that page. You can even put it on your own domain if you would like to do that. As affiliates sign up, they will then be passed through to what we call their affiliate dashboard. This is unique to each affiliate, and each influencer partner of yours contains everything that somebody needs to promote your website and your product. So let me go ahead and zoom in here onto some of the tools that we have available. The unique referral link you see here front and center. This can be copied and pasted anywhere that our affiliates have access to online. So that could be a website, a blog, a social media channel. Folks are going to get credit for people who do click through their specific link and end up on your website. That credit is reflected in real time on the dashboard. You can see that in the orange numbers here. So this is going to be the sales funnel for each particular affiliate. The person we're looking at here has sent, you can see the big orange number, the first one, 162 unique visitors. So these are the number of people who have clicked their link. Out of those, they've got 59 signups, which means we've got email addresses for these folks. They're in the sales funnel. 2 purchases currently thanks to their referrals, and then we've got commissions due down in the bottom row right here. What else? Oh, our social media shortcuts. So these are probably one of our, either one of our most popular or the most popular feature of LeadDyno. We have social media shortcuts that make sharing very easy for your partner. So for example, to get a link out there on Facebook, it's as simple as hitting the Facebook button. What that's going to do is it will log each partner into Facebook. It tees up a post that looks like this, and then with an additional click, they can share this on their Facebook timeline. So their friends and their followers on Facebook see this post come through their respective feeds. As they click through, tap through, credit goes to the affiliate who shared it. Same idea on Twitter, so easy enough to share on Twitter. Hit that tweet button, logs them in, tees up that tweet, and then same idea, it's locked and loaded. We also support Instagram sharing, as you see over here on the far right, as well as WhatsApp sharing, text message sharing. These are also made available on the dashboard, particularly when it's viewed from your phone. So this is will all port to any device that your affiliate is viewing it from. We also have mobile apps to make viewing on the phone very easy. So what they do is they download their affiliate dashboard app to their phone, and then we put your dashboard directly onto their smartphones. Let's go ahead and transition into LeadDyno itself. So what I'm going to start with is our content section, which is about halfway down on the left-hand side. And then we'll do a few of our key tools, and then I can do any additional questions that you have. Content area is where you're going to be able to define that Facebook post, to define that tweet. So this is where the Facebook post is pulling from. So as I do this share on Facebook, here's where it's pulling from. This is going to be defined within the content area. So you can write your Facebook post, write your tweet, write that social content. And again, this is going to populate so that folks can see this and makes easy sharing for your affiliates. In my experience, I find most of the folks just kind of run with whatever I wrote for them, which is kind of a nice signal that I'm getting more sharing than I otherwise would, thanks to these types of shortcuts. So it's a nice way for you to be able to take advantage of the convenience that we offer with these shortcuts. Just kind of get some stuff pre-written for folks. I think it's going to go a long way for you. The entire affiliate website is customizable, and you can do that by clicking the blue button here. So it is all customizable from the settings, the header, introduction, instruction. So these are all customizable features here as well. So you can type in new text for the intro. You can insert images if you would like. You can insert links. You can update the HTML directly if you want to do that. So lots of options for you here. We do support custom CSS, so if you want to further style the page, you can do that. If you would like to have your affiliates opt into something like a terms of service agreement, that is possible to do as well. Okay, let's do a few of our key tools, and then the rest of the time is yours if you'd like it on the questions front. So in the tools, let me point out a few of my favorites. Our affiliate newsletter is one. I use this one every month to send out newsletters, updates to our affiliates, let them know how they're doing. So I just click the new newsletter tab here, and then I go ahead and go through and tee up a new update to them. I actually have 4 pre-written updates that I use myself. I wrote them. You're more than welcome to use them if you would like. Program update is actually my favorite one. Kind of checks off everything that an affiliate would need or want on a monthly basis. We let them know about their commission payments. We let them know about the mobile app, give them a heads up that they can get back to their affiliate dashboard. So nice way to engage folks on the newsletter side of things. We mail these directly to their email inbox. So this is the newsletter that I sent out for November right here as well. Also, we've got automated emails, and these are especially nice and favorites of mine because they're going to go out automatically from the system based on certain events. You don't have to actually do anything yourself. So for example, when a new affiliate signs up to join your program, we send them a nice little welcome email that looks like this. It's got their link, it's got the one-click access to their affiliate dashboard, so we have everything that they need to get up and running with your program here. We can also let folks know how they did for the week, so we can even let them know every time they get credit for a new lead or an individual new purchase. Nice ways, again, to engage them and remind them that we are keeping track of their stats as they go. Good motivators for your partners. Let them know they're getting credit as they do refer people your way. All right, let's get into our recruitment side of things, and then I will show you how to get a hold of us for additional support, or we can go ahead and do questions. So from our recruitment side, we've got an affiliate invitation email. What this is going to do is reach out to new customers as these folks buy from you, invite them to join your affiliate program. So this is a nice way to turn your new customers into new affiliates if you would like to try to do that. It's been a good strategy for us ourselves as well as many of our own users, so would encourage you to consider this. We also have that affiliate sign up page that we started off with, and you can put this page on your own website, link to it from your blog, from your social media channels. And again, we want to drive folks here so that they can learn more about your affiliate program and get signed up. And then finally, last but not least, we have an affiliate network you are more than welcome to tap. Click the network tab in the lower left corner of LeadDyno, and this will redirect you over to ecommerceaffiliates.com. From here, we can list your affiliate program, and we will talk about your product, talk about your affiliate program from within here. We also do newsletters that feature products like yours, affiliate programs like yours. We do 5 newsletters a week, and we've got plenty of real estate to be able to fit you in here. These are very popular with our readers as well as our affiliates. So let us know if we can get you going in a newsletter, or if I can help you get set up with a profile on our affiliate network website. More than happy to do that. Otherwise, let me show you how to get a hold of us for additional support. So if you do have questions, I can take anything now that you have. Otherwise, let me remind you that we do one-on-one phone calls as well. LeadDyno.com/support is the link to book that one-on-one session. We'll get that link in here for you. Contact info as well. We do phone, we do email, we do a live chat. These are available 7 days a week. So we've got all the contact info here as well as our social media info and such. So let me know if you have questions, you think of it throughout the day, throughout the week. Otherwise, I thank you for joining. So hope it was helpful. Stay in touch. Let us know how we can help with your affiliate program launch. And again, thanks for joining the LeadDyno webcast today. So any questions, let me know. Please do reach out. Otherwise, I do hope to talk to you soon.